Hi, I'm Bob Gettner with Optoma Technology. We're at Full Compass today to talk about the ultra short throw projectors from Optoma. One is the W307UST. The other is the interactive model, the W307USTI. These projectors are typically used in classrooms and meeting rooms. The benefit of the product is that the projector is set up above the screen directly in front of the classroom, so you don't cast a large shadow onto the screen and you don't have the light shining into the presenter's eyes. To change the standard ultra short throw projector into an interactive model, there's a small door that you remove from the projector, and then you insert an IR camera. Just snaps into place here. Once you do that, that activates the IR system in the projector. When that is installed, you have a digital pen that allows you to go up to the whiteboard, and wherever you tap the pen on the whiteboard, the IR receiver in the projector tracks it, and it sends that information back to your computer so that you can open and close programs, you can interact with the software in the system, and you can use the digital ink to write on the whiteboard itself, to highlight or write notes. When you're finished with your presentation, you can save those files on the hard drive of your computer and share them with your students or coworkers at another time. Another benefit of the product is that we have a number of input and outputs on the projector that allow you to connect your digital and analog sources. You have an RJ45 connection, so you can manage and control the projector over your network. That allows you to use Crestron Room View to manage one or up to 250 projectors on your network and check the status of those projectors. At the end of the day, you can check the status to see if the projectors are on or off and shut down the projectors that were left on, saving the lamps in the projectors. The ultra short throw projectors also have 3D capability. You can display full 3D from your Blu-ray player, your broadcast television, or from a notebook computer. We're finding that more and more students are benefiting from 3D display in the classroom as more and more software is available through stations like Discovery Channel, National Geographic, and a number of different software programs available. They've actually done some studies and found out that the students have performed better on tests as a result of viewing the content in 3D. Along with having control of the projector using the digital pen, there's a small remote control that allows you access to the projector menu system. You can change sources easily with the press of a button, change it to 3D mode with the push of a button, and change keystone correction and other settings in the projector very simply. Another nice feature in this product is it has logo capture. When you project your logo onto a screen, there's a couple buttons in the menu system you can press. It saves that logo into the menu system, and whenever you turn on the projector, the logo will appear on the screen. The benefit there is a little bit of a security. Could also be a little bit of marketing for your company as well whenever you're giving a presentation. And the W307UST has a 10-watt speaker built in that allows you to have amplification to fill the classroom with sound for any videos that you want to play for the classroom. For more information on the Optoma W307UST or USTI, contact Full Compass at fullcompass.com or contact your Full Compass sales representative.